Most business owners in the UAE are making one dangerous mistake in 2026. They think corporate tax does not apply to them. Here's the truth no one tells you. Even small businesses and free zone companies may still need to register, file, and pay corporate tax correctly. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to pay corporate tax in the UAE step by step, who actually needs to pay, how the filing process works, and the mistakes that can trigger penalties fast. Let's start with the basics. UAE corporate tax applies mainly to business profits. Right now, many businesses pay 0% on taxable income up to a certain threshold, and 9% above that level. But here's the problem. Even if your business owes zero tax, you may still need to register and submit returns. This is where most people fail. They confuse zero tax with no compliance. Now here's the first thing you need to do. Create your account on the UAE Federal Tax Authority portal. This is where your company gets registered for corporate tax. If John owns a Dubai Free Zone company selling digital services, he still needs to complete registration even if he expects low profits initially. Once your account is active, you'll receive a corporate tax registration number. Keep this safe because you'll use it for filings and payments later. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many business owners panic about bookkeeping, but the process becomes much easier if you separate personal and business expenses from day one. Alex runs a small e-commerce business in Dubai. Instead of mixing transactions, he uses one dedicated business bank account and tracks invoices monthly. That alone saves hours during tax season. The next step is calculating taxable income. This usually means total business revenue, minus eligible expenses. Things like office costs, software subscriptions, salaries, and operational expenses may count as deductions depending on your setup. But here's the catch. Poor records create major problems. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid tax filing stress completely. The easiest method is using accounting software, or hiring a small bookkeeping service before your filing deadline arrives. Waiting until the last week is where businesses get overwhelmed. Once your numbers are ready, log into the FDA portal and submit your corporate tax return. After submission, the system will show the amount due if your company owes tax. Payment can usually be completed through approved UAE banking methods directly connected to the portal. Now pay attention to this part because many foreigners miss it. Free zone companies are not automatically exempt forever. Some free zone businesses can still qualify for special tax treatment, but only if they follow the proper rules and maintain compliance. This is why keeping accurate invoices, contracts, and financial records matters so much in 2026. So here's the simple breakdown. Register your company for corporate tax. Keep clean business records. Calculate profit properly. File your return before the deadline. Then pay electronically through the FIA system. If you stay organized, UAE corporate tax is actually much simpler than many other countries. If this guide helped you understand UAE corporate tax without the confusion, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full UAE tax deductions guide next.